Hey, Don Copeland here, and today we're going to show you another neat thing you can do with the Mutoh 426UF. If you want to zoom in here a little bit, Hannah, we're going to show them what we've done. We've actually loaded up in here 60 golf balls, 5 dozen golf balls in our new jig that we've made up for the Mutoh. And what we're going to do is we're going to print these out, kind of a mock-up on like a golf outing for an association. So we're going to go ahead and get this loaded up, close the lid on it. We hit set media. What the set media does is it actually takes the whole tray back underneath, make sure that we have the right clearance, so that nothing's going to be an obstruction on the way. Once it comes forward, it's going to tell me it's okay to print. Then we're going to hop over to the computer. I'm going to show you how we set this up real quick. What we have here set up on the screen is a logo. I like to do a round logo usually on a golf ball anyway. We usually try to stay in the area of about 0.8 inches to 0.875. It's about a 0.8 inch logo. What I've done in my RIP software is over here, I want to change it over from the standard page size. We're going to print a single layer. We're going to go in and set this up to use what we call a template media. And I've set up a template media here that corresponds to this golf ball jig. You'll see when I open it up, now it has all of these spaces that will be populated. So when we send the artwork from our design software, it's going to go over to the cues and it's going to actually populate all of those spots. Not worried about selected objects only, just going to print the entire thing. Okay. And now it's going to send this over, and you'll see when I open up the RIP here, it's going to ask me, do I want to do an express or select? I want it to do express and fill the whole page. It's going to fill this whole page with the logos. I'm going to choose this. This is something that's we want a good quality print. We're going to use our fine mode, and we're going to do it in unidirectional, which is fine. I like to process it first, which is to RIP only. This is our cost per ball, because I only actually really processed one and it just copied the data. So that would be 7/100ths of a penny to do 60 golf balls. So we are not having a problem there. Under 5 cents to print all of these golf balls. Once I've got that done, I'm just going to release the job and hit print. Alrighty, looks like it's done. Here we go, I just timed that. That was just a hair over 7 minutes and 30 seconds to print 60 golf balls. As you can see right here, pretty good design on those. As I mentioned before, 7/100ths of a penny worth of ink on each golf ball. So you can almost say there's no ink cost. You can certainly see that from here. 7.5 minutes. Let's just be conservative here and say that you can turn this around 6 times in an hour. That would give you 3 minutes to load and unload. All right, so 6 times in an hour, that's 360 golf balls. And again, let's be conservative and say you can make $0.25 a piece on those for printing them if they provided you the balls. If you're selling the balls, you're also going to make some additional money on top of that. That would be $90 an hour for printing golf balls, just charging $0.25 a piece to customize them. Now, if you were doing these and you were to put a person's name, phone number, something special about them specifically on here, obviously their prices go way up. So it's a quick and easy way, once again, to use your Mutoh 426 to do different things than you're doing now with all of your other decoration equipment. That's why it's a great fit. You can add this into your apparel decoration business, any type of business you have a laser engraving business, things like that. You can bring color into a lot of ad specialties, a lot of items like golf balls, poker chips, cell phone cases, and things like that. So until next time, I am Don Copeland with the Mutoh 426UF.